Welcome! I'm so excited to finally invite you to the landing. As the Residence Hall Director for Fargo Quadrangle, we have been eagerly awaiting for a space to be available to all.
The landing at Ellicott really serves as the front door to our community of residents that live in both the Ellicott Complex and also Griner Hall. It was designed to be a multi-purpose space for students to congregate, to socialize, to study, to come together for social events, whether that be watching something on the large screen TVs that we have, or some of the great programming that we'll do in the residence halls.
We know that having a comfortable, modern, and supportive living environment is conducive to our residential students' UB experience and well-being, which both go hand in hand with their academic success.
Our programming aims to provide personal development to students. And the landing serves as an alternative space for students to participate in any community events.
I think this brand new space was a really big improvement to the previous ones. I feel like all the buildings were kind of cut off into their own quarters.
Landing incorporates a key practical advantage in its wayfinding. The saying is that people are taking longer to graduate because they get lost here at Ellicott Complex.
As a pre-med student, I will do most anything to make what I've so carefully learned these past 4 years applicable. So the similarities between the heart and the landing are so overwhelmingly obvious, it's worth noting. Just as the blood returns home to the heart, students now have a central point to return home to and to re-energize.
Within this space, there's a lot of opportunity for big groups of people or even smaller groups of people to just all be together. I've seen a lot of students who even use this space to study, other students who just use this space to eat dinner together.
When you have thousands of people who live in the Ellicott Complex, there is a great opportunity to meet all sorts of people from different backgrounds and different lifestyles in different areas of the state and the country, to build community, to learn from each other, and to celebrate the community of UB.